How to become the best artist in the world. I mean, what do we even mean when we say, I want to be the best in the world at something? We all have our own definitions, right? Honestly, comment below who you think the best artist in the world is. Some people will agree with you and others will think you're absolutely insane. And that's because we all value different things. So we need to reframe the question as how to become the best artist you can be in the world. For some, being the best means topping the charts. For others, it's creating music that stands the test of time. But here's the truth, chasing perfection in just one area, whether it's singing or songwriting or performing, isn't the way to get there. In this video, I'm going to show you why trying to be the best at just one thing isn't enough anymore. Most importantly, I'll show you how you can combine your unique skills to become the best version of yourself and start building the career that you want as an artist in today's music industry. Okay, let's dive into it. When I first started in music, I thought that if I could just master one thing, whether it was playing guitar or perfecting production as a skill, I'd eventually make it. But I was wrong. Think about Jack White, for instance. He's a solid guitarist and songwriter, sure, but what sets him apart is his ability to bring together distinct elements, his retro aesthetic, his attention to presentation, and his deep understanding and love for music history. That combination, plus his approach to music, makes him unforgettable. And more recently, consider Pink Pantheress. She's not the most technically advanced vocalist, nor does she produce the most polished tracks, yet she's created a sound that's entirely her own by combining nostalgia UK garage influences with modern production and emotionally raw conversational lyrics. And how did she bring it all together? By understanding how to use TikTok to find her audience and make her music go viral. And here's a sobering fact for you. 54% of artists who hit the Billboard Top 40 never have a second hit. Platforms like TikTok have turned many artists into one-hit wonders because the industry is often chasing quick fame over long-term careers. But that's not what we want. We need to leverage all of the skills that you have available. This is why focusing on just one skill is risky. Instead, what separates artists who thrive from those who just fizzle out is something called skill stacking. Skill stacking is a powerful tool for artists looking to stand out. By combining multiple talents, you can create a unique package that's hard to copy. Let's look at some examples. Indie artist Ren mixes both rap and sung vocals with acoustic guitar and deep lyrics. This blend creates a unique sound that combines elements of classical and rap music to make him stand out. Lil Nas X paired his music skill with a deep understanding of internet culture and marketing. This is what broke him out. His meme-savvy approach helped Old Town Road go viral and break him as an international artist. Pink Pantheress showed us how skill stacking can lead to big success too. She combined her unique lyrics, love of nostalgic UK sounds with smart promotion. By teasing parts of her song, she built excitement around her music, and this strategy led her to signing with Parlophone Records. Being able to adapt is crucial in this ever-changing music industry. The key is finding skills that complement your main talent. For some, it might be as simple as singing, playing an instrument really well, and performing more shows than anyone else. For others, it could be the combination of songwriting, production, basic recording skills, and making videos to post on social media. To add another layer to your stack, you can also add in your influences from genre and culture, just like I've shown before in these videos. The goal is to create a unique mix that sets you apart and boosts your chances of success in this competitive field. And to simplify, let's just break it down into this 3-step process to start building your skill stack today. Oh, and by the way, I'll put a link to this document under the video so you can download it for yourself. Step 1, identify your core strength. Ask yourself, what am I already good at? Is it songwriting, vocal performance, networking? Write these down and be honest. This isn't about being the best, it's about finding skills you can develop further. Step 2, add complementary skills. Write down everything you're good at, even if it doesn't necessarily relate to music. For example, if you're great at songwriting and love cooking, you could combine these skills like Action Bronson did. Look for skills that align but aren't necessarily too similar. And don't overlook personal attributes like storytelling or time management or public speaking. Step 3, combine and test. Start blending these skills into your projects. Maybe you write and produce your own EP in a cabin in the woods, or create narrative-based social media content, or pair your music with unexpected collaborators in a unique way. Experiment. The magic is in the combination. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent, till you find something that starts to feel right and work. And here's a reality check for you. The average lifespan of an artist in the top 40 is less than a year. True success isn't about viral fame or one big hit. It's about building a career that lasts. And when talented people offer you help, just say yes. Their skills will stack on top of yours and push you even further ahead. Take the Cold Heart remix of Elton John's Rocket Man, for example. It shows how mixing different skills, Elton's classic songwriting, Dua Lipa's modern voice, and Pnau's electronic music production can create something new and exciting. And you can do similar things by working with others, even without a big record label behind you. And while we're here on the subject of major labels and big money, just know that throwing money at your career won't guarantee you success in the music industry. A big marketing budget might help, but it can't replace solid skill or strategy. Without a clear direction, spending carelessly can lead to financial troubles. That's how artists get dropped by the labels. But in the case of a self-releasing artist, you'll just go broke. To avoid this, you need to understand yourself, your market, and your product first. That's why skill stacking is such a great thing. It helps with all of that. And if you do start to have conversations with labels, just know that they want artists who show potential for success without necessarily needing huge investments. They look for a clear understanding of audience, a unique sound, and skills. These qualities offer them the best chance of success with the least amount of risk. And many artists just waste money in their careers. Some spend too much on studio time without proper preparation. Others buy expensive gear they don't know how to use that well. And some invest in expensive music videos before they have any real fans. These choices can quickly drain your resources on the wrong things without actually helping at all with your career. Your skills are worth more than any ad campaign. Spend your time learning, experimenting, and growing. Double down on the things that you're really good at. The skills you already have will help you more in the long run than trying to buy your way to the top. Only pay money for things that you actually need or things that will actually accelerate the growth of your career, like someone to put the final touches to your songs, or maybe mentorship to give you greater guidance in this chaotic landscape. Remember, lasting careers come from talent, hard work, and smart planning, not just having a lot of money to spend. Building a successful music career is about more than just mastering one thing. It's about growing as an artist and staying true to your vision. The most enduring musicians adapt and develop a unique set of skills. So if you're ready to take action, think about your current ability and pick one or two areas to work on. This could be anything from marketing yourself on social media to diving deeper into music theory or improving your stage presence. Choose something that excites you and fits with your goals. If you're happy with your musical skills but need help with mixing or production, I'd love to lend a hand. Click the link in the description for a free 20-minute consultation with me.